welcome to your new home in Germany. Today I'm going to be showing you how to unlock and lock your door. So first let's start with unlocking our door from the outside. We're going to insert our key and turn it all the way to the left until it clicks. Push to open and remove the key. Welcome home. So now we're in our home and we want to secure our door. So first, we're going to shut it tightly. And to lock our deadbolt, we're just going to turn it to the left. Now, when the deadbolt only is locked, our door can still partially open. If we want to completely secure the door, close it, insert your key, turn it to the left until you hear the click. That click releases the deadbolt that secures the door from the lock down here. Now our door is properly secured. So now it's time to leave our house. An important thing to remember about doors here in Germany is that they have an automatic locking mechanism. When I leave and I close this door, it's going to lock behind me. So if I leave my key inside the house and my door gets accidentally shut, I'm going to be locked out. So it's very important to remember to always take your key with you when you're exiting your home. So now I'm going to show you how we're going to lock our door from the outside. Insert the key and turn it all the way to the right until you can't turn anymore. Turn the key back vertically and remove the key. Now our door is secure.